earbuds.
Look, if I get 5 subs right now, I'll push one of these components to the floor. 5 gifted subs, I will push one of them to the floor, and I won't tell you all which one. Never mind, I've been told not to. Did you actually come back?
I can. Oh my God! Who did this? Why is this on the table? Is that a new one, dude? It's serrated.
That's
Show
It-
chat.
look,
Show
it was
chat.
on-
Did one of you do this?
no, that was not.
You know who did it.
Zach.
I know, yeah. Not him, but other Zach.
Lower. I don't know, you weren't saying anything, so I started
Lower, lower, lower. Good. Alright, now stand
You
I
guys
put it
start-
on 2, so it's
when you
just
guys
gonna
start
keep
hooking
going.
up, I have a good idea for the next stream.
What? What is it?
We do the PC build live, but we turn on text-to-speech donations. And you guys have to record. You have to record the video with text-to-speech on.
Callister says no.
I will tell you, as fun as it'll be, chat, I nixed that.
You
Chat,
all,
make that-
what do you think? You think we should do that, chat?
That's
Uh,
hell.
yeah, like it's cut off.
Oh.
Ooh, okay, that's what we'll do, chat. If you give subs, I'll put you in the video.
Look,
McAllister will put you in the video.
Wait, did you do storage?
No, I didn't do
Oh,
storage.
okay. Normally, okay. I'm all out of whack here then. McAllister, you're gonna have to do a lot of reordering here. This is just a mess. So have fun.
Bang! Bang! Have you ever seen that one guy that's really popular on like TikTok and stuff? I don't remember his name.
You've seen someone
Have you seen somebody
chug
who's popular?
a seltzer
They're gonna
and
what?
not throw up?
We should have brought seltzer.
Like, I mean,
Would you like kiss a guy for $100 maybe?
I'd kiss you for $100 if
What do we
Emily was,
work
if Emily was
on?
cool with it.
Oh.
Chat. Chat.
What the
Not today though.
You already agreed! I got it on video!
You contracted into it.
Weird thing.
They said that you're using the wrong cooler.
What do you mean is in the wrong cooler?
Thank you guys. I'm getting out the cooler. I'm gonna stack them.
Wow.
They say if you go double cooler, you get double the cooling
Wow.
capacity.
I did. That's good. I like that.
Well, now that we
You have to
used
get that
this,
in the video, McAllister.
It's not holding the IO shield. Just go straight through. What do we do here, buddy? You just kind of
We just used the motherboard to hold it in. Duh.
Oh, we got one. Dang, look at this fella again. That's great. Look at that. I mean, you said it was cheaper. I mean, $100 plus for a Evo 60.
Yeah. I don't think it was really that much, unless they sent us something different. I
Well,
thought,
I remember when I was partying together on Amazon.
Another 10
Oh my God.
who was it? The same guy?
Yes. When I was partying together on Amazon, it was like $130 on Amazon.
Jacksonville, what's up with you?
You're a legend.
McAllister's like, what's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? What do I do?
I'll keep moving this one. Don't worry.
I think you just cry. That's what I would do.
Challenging me? They call me the throat god for a reason.
Alright, let's see what I got. 30.
That was 10 seconds, Matt beat you.
Fuck. Houston, we have a problem.
I'm pretty confident I could probably go for like 30 or 40. I just really don't want to on camera.
I have no clue how long my capacity is. My lungs.
I hope I blew out everyone's ears.